Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Homeopathic Trios. Let's understand a remedy which is a great savior of all homeopaths in the cases of hyperacidity, that is Nux vomica. We see that this remedy is usually prescribed in almost 7 out of 10 cases of hyperacidity. However, there is much more to this remedy, which we will try to understand in this video. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and help us to reach 600 subscribers with this video. Today, we will understand this remedy by linking it to one of the most powerful and at the same time one of the most cruel personalities of the world, that is Adolf Hitler. So before beginning the understanding of Nux vomica, first let's have a look at Hitler's life in short. Hitler was the son of Alois Hitler and his third wife Clara Palsy. Now as a child, Hitler had undergone a lot of reproaches and sufferings, which made him very bitter from within, and the outcome of which was seen when he rose to power, where he killed many Jews ruthlessly. Now Nux vomica as a remedy belongs to the Loganici family and has a central quality of impatience and wishes to get any work done very quickly, and then for getting this done, he doesn't mind using any means. As a person, Nux vomica always has that inner fire of winning in him. These people are like the warriors or the knights of the olden times who used to win a territory and then immediately move on to another. This quality is also seen in Hitler, where his constant desire of winning territories over territory finally took him to grave. The next important quality of a Nux vomica personality is of being extremely perfectionist in whatever he does. Now this can also be seen where Nux vomica is usually seen in the rubrics like conscientious about trifles or fastidious, etc. In fact, if you have a look at the Kent's repertory, he gives only 2 remedies in the rubric fastidious, that is arsenic and Nux vomica. Because of their perfectionist nature and love to explore different fields, these people become experts in more than one fields. Now the perfectionist nature of a Nux vomica personality makes him extremely rude, fault-finding and a bit rowdy and haughty. These people are extremely confident about their powers, and so they actually do not care much about the people around them, as they are not at all dependent on them for their success. However, this haughtiness is different from Platina, where Nux personalities will definitely have a certain amount of respect for someone who is more talented or stronger than him, with a desire to be like him. However, a Platina will keep this false superiority complex of being superior and will always look down upon that person who is more stronger or more talented than him. Now, a Nux vomica person is extremely ambitious. This ambitiousness is not just for getting success, however, their ambitiousness is more and is always to get at the top of whatever they do. For example, if they are in a business world, they will have an ambition to become the best businessman in the town. This extreme ambitiousness was also seen in the personality of Hitler, as he always wanted to conquer the world. Now this ambitiousness makes a Nux vomica person extremely industrious and hardworking. These people can work for long hours just to get that success which they want. They are extremely workaholic and career oriented, and thus in order to keep this industriousness, these people have craving for various stimulating substances like alcohol, tea, coffee, smoking, etc. Now this industriousness is also seen in a remedy Veratrum album, which comes very close to Nux vomica in all aspects. However, Veratrum's industriousness is of no use and does not make him successful. Now the most important personality trait of a Nux vomica person for which it is known is its anger. However, the anger of Nux vomica is not very severe and they will not indulge in the physical fights and will remain limited only up to getting abusive or throwing things on others, etc. Now these people are extremely competitive too. Now if a competitor is weaker, he will easily overpower him. However, if he is stronger than him, the Nux vomica person gets jealous and might try out different methods of winning, like spoiling the image of their competitor, etc. So now that we have understood the personality traits of a Nux vomica person, let's understand few important spheres of action of this remedy. So Dr. Boger in his Synoptic Materia Medica says that this remedy works best on digestive organs, liver and on the respiratory organ. Now let's have a look at the action of Nux vomica on the digestive organs. It is the topmost remedy for acidity with sour bitter eructations with nausea and vomiting every morning and after eating. Now Nux vomica patients have a great nausea and they feel that they would feel better only by vomiting. It is also a very good remedy for gastritis, gastralgia, and dyspepsia with a sensation of pressure on hour or two before eating, as from a stone, with a great tightness felt around the stomach, and must loosen his clothes. Now, Nux vomica is an excellent remedy for constipation with frequent unsuccessful desire to pass stools. Every time he goes to the washroom, he passes only a small quantity of feces and has a sensation as if his bowels are not evacuated fully. Constipation in the cases of Nux vomica alternates with diarrhea, which is watery, offensive, with the urge to pass stools, mostly in the morning. Now let's have a quick look at the action of Nux vomica on the respiratory complaints. Nux vomica is a topmost remedy for asthma of the gastrointestinal origin, with a fullness in the stomach. The patient has asthma which is brought on by exposure to cold or by consuming stimulants like coffee, tea, alcohol, smoking, etc. The cough of Nux vomica is usually dry, fatiguing, and persists from midnight till morning. The cough is usually dry at night and fluent in the day. All the respiratory complaints of a Nux vomica person are aggravated in a warm room and feels better by sitting in a cold place or in a damp place. And now, at the end, let's have a look at the few confirmatory symptoms of Nux vomica. The first important confirmatory symptom of Nux vomica is a craving for stimulants like tea, coffee, alcohol, etc. Nux vomica is the best remedy to begin the treatment when the patient has a lot of allopathic drugs previously in his life. The next is oversensitiveness to external impressions like light, touch, odor, etc. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. If you have any queries, feedback or experience of using Nux vomica, please do tell us in the comment box below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to hit the bell icon for getting updated.